Ladies and gents, it's the semi-finals and we've got an exceptionally fantastic night in store for you. We have just 5 talents remaining and what a fantastic journey they have had so far. But there is only 4 spots available for that grand final. In tonight's episode, the contestants will find out their song of the series, which will be announced at the end of the show. I'm also very excited to announce that tonight the contestants will find out what their group song is that they will perform in the grand finals.
Tonight, 100% your best performance.
You are like a flower that's just been blossoming and blossoming.
What a way to open the show. That was fantastic.
It's the semi-finals with special guests. He's back. Phoenix Sapphire, Chelsea Layton, Rob Crowley, rap artist Sex, young Gabby Van Breen, Amberina Law, and our very own Deck.
It is time for the results.
Who will make the grand finale? Ladies and gents, welcome to the semi-finals. Opening tonight's show, it's our most recent representatives.
You're not alone, together we'll stand. I'll be by your side, you know I'll take your hand. When it gets cold and it feels like the end, there's no place to go, you know I won't give in. No, I won't give in. Keep holding on, 'cause you know we'll make it through, we'll make it through. Just stay strong, 'cause you know I'm here for you, I'm here for you. There's nothing you can say, nothing you can do. There's no other way when it comes to the truth. So keep holding on, 'cause you know we'll make it through, we'll make it through. So far away, I wish you were here before it's too late. This could all disappear before the doors close and it comes to an end. With you by my side, I will fight and defend. I'll fight and defend. Keep holding on, 'cause you know we'll make it through, we'll make it through. Just stay strong, 'cause you know I'm here for you, I'm here for you. There's nothing you can say, nothing you can do. There's no other way when it comes to the truth. So keep holding on, 'cause you know we'll make it through, we'll make it through. Hear me when I say, oh, believe. Nothing's gonna change destiny. Whatever's meant to be will work out perfectly. Yeah, 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 yeah. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Keep holding on, 'cause you know we'll make it through, we'll make it through. Just stay strong, 'cause you know I'm here for you, I'm here for you. There's nothing you can say, nothing you can do. There's no other way when it comes to the truth. So keep holding on, 'cause you know I'll make it through, I'll make it through.
just before we leave you all come down and sit down and chill and watch the show, I just want to come to you all individually. Obviously you've all been watching this series.
Let's just say I'm happy I'm not in this series. Yeah, everyone's really talented. Good luck, everyone, because I don't know how the judges are going to decide.
I'm glad I'm not in your shoes because this would be...
The amount of talent in this series is unreal.
So obviously, last series, for the first time in the history, we crowned 4 winners. Which, just to let everyone know, we won't be doing it again, all right? But because there should only be one. But it literally, we all know the people that was there last series, like, it was impossible. It really was impossible. You all worked so hard together, and that's why you went on to all get crowned. Obviously, since the competition, you've all been going off, doing your own thing. You've all got some amazing stuff coming up. Charles, what have you got coming up, buddy?
Well, a couple of awards coming up in February, I believe. Looking forward for those. I am hoping to get back in the studio as soon as we finish all this to get some more tracks out.
Yeah, same here. I've also got some award nights coming up. I've got some really exciting stuff that I can't really talk about. But my film's going to be coming out this year as well.
Yeah, I have a few award ceremonies and charity shows. And
I'm working on my second song soon, hopefully, with you, Joe.
But you've all got to finish your albums. You've got, like, literally an album each to finish. So plenty of time. But you're doing us so proud, Lil. They're doing us really, really proud, aren't they?
I'm so proud you all.
And like I said, 4 of our youngest winners in the history of it. So just keep up the good work, all right? Round of applause for all guys. Well done, guys.
So, judges, we are at the semi-finals of Talent Search Cymru. We are down to our final 5. Lily, how are you feeling about tonight?
As always, I'm so excited. I think the semi-finals just has something special to it, though. Everyone's going to fight for their place, and I'm sure they're going to bring out their best. So I can't wait to see what everyone brings.
So tonight we have got one of our representatives, the cool dude, our Phoenix on the panel. How are you feeling about watching tonight's show and giving your opinion?
It's a very exciting thing to be asked to judge on the panel. I can't wait to see all of the contestants, because I've only seen them online, of course, so it's a different experience live. I can't wait to let's get it going.
It's going to be amazing. And I'm so glad Phoenix is here because, like, a lot of people know, like, when we're crowning these winners over the series, we have some that are just unusual to themselves. And Phoenix is one of them. We'll never, ever get another Phoenix. Guaranteed. Never, ever. He's just a born entertainer. He knows what to do and that. So it's nice for him to be here because I know we've watched a little bit online, but to see him live is a different thing, you know? So I think it's going to be fab. It's a great night. We've got some amazing guests coming up tonight also, and some of our previous talents from the network. So it's going to be amazing. I think it's going to be an absolute banger of a night.
Are you ready? Let's begin the semi-finals.
Up first, with her judge's choice, it's Millie.
everybody's looking for that something. One thing that makes it all complete. You'll find it in the strangest places, places you never knew it could be. Some find it in the face of their children. Some find it in their lovers' eyes. Who can deny the joy it brings when you found that special thing? You're flying with the wings. So for me it's waking up beside
Oh, what can I say? Honestly, you were just exceptional in every sense of the word. You're an exceptional human being. You've got an exceptional personality. You look exceptional. And that was just an exceptional performance. I could tell that your voice was a bit sore. I could. And you were a bit nervous about it. But honestly, you didn't need to be nervous. That was the most beautiful version of that song I've ever heard. And it was so unique, Millie. You are such a talent. And good luck to you. Whatever happens tonight, that was a performance to go out proud anyway, if that's what happens tonight, all right?
That was fantastic to watch. I wrote down that you started like really soft, rich tones, and then you came through with the powerful high notes and everything. And I liked as well, like the arm movements and character you brought to the song. I don't really know the song, but it was beautiful and you absolutely smashed it, and best of luck.
The ability that you've got, and it's something we've always picked up on, when you came into this process, you had this massive voice with so much technicality to it. And it was almost like we had to work with you opposite to how we would usually work with people. We had to kind of drain you in a little bit because you were just all flooding out. And to hear you control it in the way you just did, I have to be honest, it hasn't been mentioned yet, but that to me was the performance of the series of you as 100% hands down. That was you in a complete different league to what we've heard. You pushed your range more than we've ever heard before. The fact that this song's originally done by a boy band, Westlife, and you've kind of just stripped it back and made it yours, and you really, really added your identity. And something I've always mentioned to people throughout is about showing that identity that you've got. It's not just going up there singing a song lovely. That, I could have shut my eyes and I would have gone, that is 100% Millie. That is Millie's voice. And that's what you showcased. You should be really proud. You've come into tonight with an absolute more than a bang. This was bang, bang, bang.
Thank you.
Before the judge's choice, next up, it's Aaron.
There's a boy I know, he's the one I dream of. Looks into my eyes, takes me to the clouds above. Oh, I lose control, can't seem to get enough. When I wake dreaming, tell me, is it really love? How will I know? How will I know? How will I know? How will I know? How will I know if he really loves me? I say a prayer in every heartbeat. I fall in love whenever we meet. I'm asking you what you know about these things. How will I know if he's thinking of me? I try to phone, but I'm too shy, I can't speak. Falling in love is so bittersweet. This love is strong, why do I feel weak?
Erin, you just blew me away. Honestly, like to think of your journey and where you began. And I've been straight with you this week. I've told you at the beginning, you were pitchy, you just couldn't control what you had. And honestly, what you do now is just so stunning and so controlled. You showed so much vulnerability there. And I threw a lot at you this week. You know that when you come to mine. And I thought, I don't know if she's going to handle this. You have listened to every single thing I asked you to do, and you nailed it. I'm so proud of you, and no matter what happens tonight, I really do hope you're proud of yourself, because honestly, the development you have made in this process is second to none. Well done.
When you said what song you were singing, I was like, hang on, that's a club song. And you're sitting down, but then it all started to make sense. You sung it really, really well. Just the technique, mic control, everything, and it was just stunning.
Aaron, look, we've had people come into these processes, and a lot of people like obviously Phoenix and Anna has seen you like sort of for the first time live tonight. But I mentioned it last week. I still can't believe this is the same person that auditioned for us, because I'll be completely honest with you, going back to, I can say it now because of where you're at talent-wise, but going back to the auditions, I didn't know how long you would survive this process back then, because about where your voice needed to control itself. But you've really put the work in, and I've seen how you work in the studio and with Lily, the way you really, your mind is like a sponge, it's picking everything up. And that, I'm sorry, but I'm sure the people who have seen you every week, surely they can agree that that has to be your best performance to date. It really, really does, Aaron, because the way you're controlling yourself now is remarkable. Honest to God. And again, like Lily said, whatever happens tonight with all of you, like the standard's high. So it could be any of you that's not going to get through to the final tonight. Any of you, any 5 of you. But let me tell you now, you've give yourself a good shot there. You really, really have. Because I still can't believe what this process has done to you. Honestly, I'm blown away. Absolutely blown away. Well done. Here's Billy with her judge's choice.
What I really loved about tonight was you showed something very, very different. This song is very different to what you've shown us throughout. And I loved the way you just kind of calmed it all down. And it was just so vulnerable and beautiful. I loved the second half of the song, particularly when you just come on that build and then that a cappella section where you've done your little run. honestly, the notes and things you can reach on your chest is just insane. And all these little technicalities you do, these runs and these riffs, it's just so clean. You've got such a clean vocal, and it was just beautiful.
At the start, you didn't have to tell us that you were nervous. Like, I could tell you were nervous, but you did just then, you switched it off, you got in the zone, and then it was just pure, like, emotion all the way through the song. And, like, the key change bit, that was, like, I was almost in tears, like, this close. So thank you for not actually making me cry. But, great job with the song. Absolutely smashed it.
I get inboxes and all the time, and people watching the show, and people from previous series and people outside of the network. And I get it all the time. And something I haven't told you this, but something I'm getting a lot lately is, oh my God, that 12-year-old. Oh my God, that 12-year-old. That girl, Joe. That Billy, 12-year-old. People are going mad about you because of your ability. You're 12 years of age. And like, I'm completely aware, and Lily's completely aware, and everyone that knows you, and mum, dad, and the family, we know your confidence is still growing. We completely know that. And we know you're still getting used to them sort of things. But my God, that ability and that range, is you can't fault it, because the minute you went up on that second part of the song, taking on a song like this anyway, that we give you, we chucked you in the deep end and give you Titanic. You know, like that's something that a lot of people won't touch in their 30s, because it's such a big song. It takes a lot. And you just stood there and did that in such a unique way for 12 years of age. I'm absolutely blown away with what you've done tonight. I really am. Just please, every time you are succeeding, take that in to say, because I know you're quite a subtle person and you don't like to read about it and that sort of stuff, but you've literally got to learn to stand there and say, I own this. I own this, because you're owning it. You are absolutely owning it. So take pride in that. All right? Well done. Amazing. Moving on, it's Trinity.
honestly, like everyone knows I'm quite hard and I am holding back tears. I'm not even lying. I'm so proud of you. It's almost like everything you have done, all the work on your voice, all the work on yourself and your confidence has been built up for that moment. It was absolutely incredible, Trin. It was stunning. And I couldn't even tell you were ill, even though I don't doubt that you are. I just love, like, you know, I love this rich tone that you've got. And this song just suited that perfectly. And honestly, there's nothing else I can say really other than that. This was my favourite performance of the night. You are incredible, and I loved that.
You walked onto that stage and just so naturally and effortlessly did that song as if like you've been doing it for like, 20 years or something. Like Lily was saying, the rich tones that you're delivering as well, like unbelievable.
I don't know if it was just me, but I don't know. I didn't even feel like I was in Talent Search Cymru then. I felt like I was literally watching somebody on the big screens, and you just did that Trinity. Look, again, like, we picked everyone's choices this week to test you all, but my God, I have to be honest, it was such a right move, because to me, you've all had your best performances tonight. Coming back to you, considering you're not well anyway, because I would have never even thought you had any sort of illness there then at all. Look, I said to you a couple of weeks ago with the Shawn Mendes when I mentioned it last week again, because, my words back then, this completely smothered that. It walked all over it. And I'm watching it tonight and I'm thinking, I can't send you out. I can't send you out. That'd be ridiculous. And that was a complete different level. I've said to you before, and I said to you last week actually, about like how long we've been doing this process, 10 years, and working with females. And I know you've only been doing this. You've come into Talent Search Cymru, first experience, right? 16 years of age, still learning your identity, still learning this distinctive tone that you've got and things. But my God, that was the epiphany of what you have done this series. It really, really was. I felt like I was in the finale watching like a winning song. That's how it felt to me. I felt it in my gut and it was there. I am absolutely blown away. And like, look, all of you were wonderful. The talent of the series is ridiculous. But Trin, that was to me another complete different level. Absolutely. It weren't even like a performance for a contestant. It was like a guest performance coming back. It really, really was. Honest to God, you've blown the roof off tonight. Absolutely blown the roof off. I'm really, really impressed. Absolutely over the moon impressed. Well done. That was incredible. She was like, it was like she just came on stage with her own song. Last up, it's Gerwin.
Two jumps in a week, and bet you think that's pretty clever. Now don't you go? Don't leave me high. Don't leave me dry. Don't leave me high. Drying up in conversation, you will be the one who cannot talk. They will be the ones who hate you. Well, you think you've got the world all sussed out. They will be the ones who spit at you. You will be the one screaming out. Don't leave me high. Don't leave me dry. Don't leave me high. Don't leave me dry.
Gerwyn, I mean, what can I say? That was just another moment for you. And honestly, the last 3 weeks, I don't know what's happened. It's like just a switch. You've just leveled right up there. And honestly, that was just incredible. I think what that song enabled you to do was show all the elements that we haven't yet seen. So you really pushed. You got in your falsetto, all of these little things that we've been needing and wanting to see from you.
Amazing. I got to be honest. And you know what I like about you is that you're able to take a song and put your own spin on it. Because not everybody can do that. Everybody can, given a song, they can go and sing it, but some people have got a small amount of people that can go, take a song and make it their own. And you did that. Well done.
If I'm being completely honest with you, that was more than just standing there singing a song to us. That was the rawest I've ever heard your voice, the most you pushed your voice and your range. And that's what we got to see in that. We was hearing them head voice notes and the falsetto and then that top end belt. Like, where the hell has that come from? That sort of range. So yeah, I think you've smashed it for the semi-final.
So there we have it. We've had our semi-finalists perform. How are you feeling, judges? Because I feel that this is going to be the most difficult decision you've all going to have to make.
It's going to be so tough. They did all come out fighting and every single one had their best performance to date, I think. So yeah, it's not an easy decision, but it's a competition and it's got to be done. But I want them all to go away so proud of themselves tonight.
It was actually amazing, like, to watch them all and be able to, you know, say my opinion and everything. I'm feeling the pressure now because I have to help these guys make, like you said, a difficult decision. Which it is, because they've all come out and stormed it.
What an absolute semi-final it is. And I'm sure everyone who just watched what we've seen, you know, this is fantastic. And I'm sure everyone agrees that's going to be very, very tough for us to, you know, award someone tonight. Even though we're still in an amazing position, because it is. Credit due, like, to all of them. Even to take a spot tonight, I'd be over the moon with, because the standard that's there, you know. But, yeah, it's been amazing. And it was nice to see Phoenix up here giving his little bit of critique and his little thing to see what he can bring to the table. And he smashed it. Yeah, guys, do you think he smashed it? He smashed it. So, yeah, so it's amazing. I know we've got some guest performers coming up now, which I can't wait for everyone to see because it's always a pleasure to have them back. So, Kaylee, over to you.
What do you think? Should we get Joey up to say?
Yeah.
All right, guys. We'll see how it goes. I did have a show last night, but I'm going to just give it everything I can with this now. I'm not going to go up on the stage and perform it. I'm just going to sit there because it's quite a simple song and it's quite a pretty one. So I'm just going to try it up here, all right, guys? All right, here we go. I went up to the mountain because you asked me to. Up over the clouds, where the sky was blue, I could see all around me. I could see all around me, everywhere. All right. Sometimes I feel like I've been nothing but tired. I know I've been working till the day I inspired. Sometimes I just let me down. Lead me down. What more can I do? But then I go on again. Because you asked me to. All right, here we go. Some days I look down, afraid of the fall. And though the sun shines, I mean nothing at all. I see nothing at all. And then I hear your sweet voice coming and go, coming and go, telling me softly you love me so. Thank you. Cheers, guys. Thank you very much. Cheers. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.
So, starting off the special guest segment, he is one of our team members. It's Dan!
You ready to get spooky? There we are. It's Halloween, y'all!
Watch out, here he comes, it's the clown killer. You know that I'm all thriller, yeah, I'm no filler. Any last words for your mother? Would you like to ring her when you start fighting back? No, I'm on to a damn winner. Revving up my chainsaw, rig a trap like jigsaw. Take a bite like I'm Jaws, here comes the onslaught. Tell me if you want more, I'm saving for the encore. Leave you bloody and sore, not scared of no damn laws. Here we come, I'm tearing it down, I'm slashing it up, I'm freaking you out. Chasing you down, yeah, breaking it up, yeah, leaving the place covered in guts. It's playtime at night time, it's nightmares, it's fright time. Can't press no rewind, it's time for me to unwind. Yeah, it's the life I chose. You're hiding now with your both eyes closed. You messed up with the evil you rose. Well, guess what? Yeah, you're not making it home. It's a cycle. Yeah, you done messed up. Yeah, you better watch out. Now we're slashing it up. It's a cycle. All my cycles stand up. Yeah, you better watch out, cause we're tearing it up. It's a cycle. Yeah, you done messed up. Yeah, you better watch out. Now we're slashing it up. It's a cycle. All my cycles stand up. Bring it on down, cause we're tearing it up. I come armed and ready, I'm on you, so you better keep your legs steady. Got it locked and loaded, yeah, I'll take my pick. So many options, this right here is my picnic. I'll hunt you down, cause yes, I'm demented. Stick around, yeah, and you'll soon be tormented. No one coming to help you, yeah, you can forget it. Cause you're mine now, yeah, you're bought, not rented. I know you're frustrated that I'm so energetic. Yeah, you try to escape, cause I'm so eccentric. Won't get tired, no, I'm not narcoleptic. Logic won't save you, yeah, you know I won't let it. Sheath my blade, yeah, hidden in the dark shade. Knowing you're afraid, my mind's a dark place. Find a new place, yeah, bury my heart shade. Have you got a limb? I can hack it, raise energy so I can match. But take a bite cause I'm a savage. Off me an inch and I will have it keep running, yeah. Love the challenge. Yeah, you done messed up. Yeah, you better watch out. Now we're slashing it up. It's a cycle. My cycle stand up. Yeah, you better watch out, cause we're tearing it up. It's a cycle. Done messed up. Yeah, you better watch out. Now we're slashing it up. It's a cycle. All my cycles stand up. Yeah, bring it on down, cause we're tearing it up.
Wanna play a game? Catch me if you can.
I don't know if I need to apologize to everyone. Is everyone okay? Did everyone enjoy that? Woo! Yeah, they did.
No matter what happens here tonight, I did put in the group chat, but none of you are checking your phones, I bet. Honestly, you all smashed it tonight. Best performances all the way around. You should be amazingly proud of yourself. You're in the semi-finals. So no matter what happens tonight, I'm proud of you. Be proud of yourselves, and everyone in the room is proud of you. Big round of applause for our contestants, guys! Woo!
Here's Talent Search Cymru talent, Chelsea Layton, with Stand Up.
With my face turned to the sun, weight on my shoulder, a bullet in my head. Oh, I got eyes in the back of my head, just in case my hair feels red. I do what I can when I can, what I can for my people. While the clouds roll back and the stars fill the night, that's when I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, till you hear freedom calling, calling. Sure stars fill up the skies. Stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, do you hear freedom calling? Calling me to answer, gonna keep on keeping on. Stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, till you hear freedom calling, calling me to answer. Gonna keep on keeping on. I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, till you hear freedom calling, calling me to answer. Gonna keep on keeping on. I can feel it in my bones. I go to prepare a place for you. I go to prepare a place for you.
Next up, it's Rob Crowley with Stars.
Out in the darkness, the fugitive running, fallen from God, fallen from grace. God be my witness, I never shall hear till we come face to face, till we come face to face. He knows his way in the dark, mine is the way of the Lord. Those who follow the path of the righteous shall have their reward. And many fall as lows of a fell, you fall in flame. And so it must be, for so it is written, on the doorways to paradise. Say behind bars, I will never rest till then. This I swear by the
Up next, it's Amberina with I See Red.
Did you really think I'd just forgive and forget? Oh, after catching you with her, you're butchered wrong, cold, so cold. You're two-time and cheap lying wannabe. You're a fool. If you thought that I'd just let this go, I see red, a gun to your head, to your head, to your head. All I see is red, red, red. All I see is red, red, oh, you're so cool. You better sleep with one eye open tonight. I see red, red, oh, red. A gun to your head, to your head, to your head. Executioner's down. No, there won't be no trial. Don't you know that you're better off there? All I see is red, red. All I see is red,
He's back. Here's Segs with an original new track.
Stay true. I've been going long, but I feel like I'm back. I've been grinding every day while I'm thinking about the racks. Knowing life will be insane, I be praying in my raps. I just wanna see my name getting known up on the map. Every day be the same, working hard, not gon' crack. I be hustling to pay for the time on these tracks. All I wanted was to say that I stay true. Yeah, all I wanna say is I stay true. I'ma have to go and pour up a glass for my brothers. I promised I'd be there, but I'll never know I still love you. I'm tryna balance myself, I'm helpless, but not forever. I'm slowly getting into my account, can show it. I'm never flexing bands, so when I do, I own it. But I still got more problems than money, I feel hopeless. Devil testing me, putting me through the motions. I guess that's how it is, now that my life be broken. I be trying every day, cause I got something in my vision. I got people trying to fuck with me to try and get a mention. They just come around expecting some forgiveness and attention. Blowing up my phone, but I don't have the time to listen. Always got so much to prove, putting hours to what I do. Gonna get there even if they say I'm not going to. I'ma show them I can do it, leave them all in the rear view. Yeah, leave them all in the rear view. I've been going home, but I feel like I'm back. I've been grinding every day when I'm thinking about these racks. Knowing life will be insane, I be praying in my raps. I just wanna see my name getting known up on the map. Every day be the same, working hard, I go rack. I be hustling to pay for the time on these tracks. All I wanted was to say that I'll stay true. Yeah, all I wanna say, I'll stay true. I've been taking losses cause now I'm feeling like I'm winning. I battled all my demons, started right from the beginning. I'm saying they are gone, but I got stronger than I'm healing. I said be overthinking, but they hold me for some reason. I just rap about my life and you just never deem my words. I'ma have to take the music for my lyrics to be heard. That's the only way of doing it, I get what I deserve. I'ma have to keep my focus, I'ma put in all the work. Yeah, I'll never let myself down. Yeah, I'll never let myself down.
I want to this shit wavy.
But I've been gone long, but I feel like I'm back. I've been grinding every day when I'm thinking about the racks. Knowing life would be insane, I be praying in my raps. I just wanna say my name, getting known up on the map. Go. I've been gone long, but I feel like I'm back. I've been grinding every day when I'm thinking about these racks. Knowing life would be insane, I be praying in my raps. I just wanna see my name getting known up on the map. Every day be the same, working hard, not gon' brag. I be hustling to pay for the time on these tracks. All I wanted was to say that I'll stay true. Yeah, all I wanna say is I'll stay true. So high and I don't wanna go back. I'm too fly, now everybody know that. I gotta stay true, otherwise I'll collapse. I gotta stay true to myself, I know that. So high and I don't wanna go back. I'm too fly, now everybody know that. I gotta stay true, otherwise I'll collapse. I gotta stay true to myself, I know that.
Next up, it's Katie Hughes with At Last. Up next, it's Gabby Van Bree with When I Look at You.
Everybody needs inspiration. Everybody needs a song, a beautiful melody. When the nights are long, 'cause there is no guarantee that this
Ending the show, it's Phoenix Sapphire.
Cymru coming, what's happening? Do you know what? It's fantastic to see, it's fantastic to see the town search company keeps rolling over and over. New talents coming in, and one day we'll take over the world.
Really made. Town search company, what's happening? My name's Phoenix Sapphire. This is my track, Millions. I hope you enjoy it. You ready? Let's make some noise, let's go! A million things I've got to do. Don't wanna do them without you. And I'm just waiting for the time to come through, yeah. So we can be here forever, like. Cause I've been on a mission, and you've been in my vision. Gonna be watching everything that you do. Gonna be watching everything that you do. Yeah, said I've been in and out, up and down, I've been here, I've been south, and no, I ain't seen nothing like you around. So bring it here, bust it down, trust and miss my music now. I'm just trying to make it out, just trying to make it out. Gotta take my time and my ride before the high power takes a hold of me. I don't wanna waste your time, all the time, so I'll just make some music, you can follow me. And we go in and out, we go for rounds, I'm really loving what you do, that sexy pose you got my head is spinning like a boogie loop. Rapper cause you're beautiful, respect that, that's my duty to you. Still I gotta make it through these million things I gotta do. Don't wanna do them without you. And I'm just waiting for the time to come through, yeah. So we can be here forever, like. Cause I've been on a mission, and you've been in my vision. Gonna be watching everything that you do. You're gonna be watching everything that you do. Yeah. And my head is spinning, just trying to focus on winning. People thinking what I'm dreaming, I'll be living. If I make it with a couple digits, if I make it with a couple million, I'll be putting my all in it, fresh to death until Phoenix about this business. Grown up G about my fitness, pulled you back so we can relive. Need to be the man that you trust, and you know me, girl, about my business. Let's get down to business. Jump around the whole town to this. Phoenix out of place, and we go in and out, we go for rounds. I'm really loving what you do, that sexy pose. Got my head is spinning like a boogie loop. Rapper cause you're beautiful, respect that, that's my duty to you. Still I've gotta make it through these million things I gotta do. Don't wanna do it without you. And I'm just waiting for the time to come through, yeah. Forever, like. Cause I've been on a mission. You're gonna be watching everything that you do, yeah. That you yeah. Sausage Cymru. Don't forget to check out the album. It's on YouTube, it's on SoundCloud. You know what to do. Thank you so much. Peace.
Alright guys, here we go. So, it's come to the results. As we all know, we can only take 4 through to the finale. We got 5 acts up there, including Gerwin. So, Kaylee, I'm going to come over to you.
Lily, who would you like to take through to the final and why?
Okay, so I can only pick one person to put in the final. And I've really thought about this. I have picked this person because I genuinely think that they deserve to be there. I think they've worked really hard, and I believe that they will continue to work hard, and I think they deserve a spot in that final. So the person I'm putting through is going to be Erin.
Phoenix, who will you be taking to the grand finals?
For your outstanding courage and bravery and a great performance that I saw tonight, I'm going to be putting through to the finals of Talent Search Cymru Billy!
We have 3 contestants left. Gerwin, Trinity and Millie. Joey, who will you be taking to the grand finals and why?
Right, so let's just get this right now. Obviously, I'm going to save one person and then there's going to be one more person joining them, yeah? That's right, now. We're not losing 2 tonight.
No, we're not.
Thank the Lord. Right, okay. All right, so, oh my God. Right, so we got Millie, Trinity, Gerwin. This is difficult because there's definitely more than one that I would like to save right now. But honestly, I think the person that I don't save could easily sail the finale anyway, regardless. So I don't even care which way this goes. So the name I'm going to save going into the finale is... Trinity. So, we've got Gerwin and Millie left now, yeah?
Yes, so we have Gerwin and Millie left. And I'm going to come back over. Lily, who are you going to save and take to the grand finals?
Both of you are exceptionally talented. I've got to base this off tonight's performance. And for me, I've got to save Millie.
Phoenix, who are you going to save and take to the grand finals?
I've seen both of the performances, but for me, it was quite an easy decision. I'm going to save Millie.
I mean, it's 3 votes across the board, and so whether I save you or not, Millie, you're 100% in the finale, right? So because you got a majority vote, but I do want to come over. So guys, obviously we've got Gerwin and Millie here, and I think they both deserve a massive round of applause, first of all. I think, Millie, if I, because obviously I am going to give my vote anyway, out of curiosity, and I think the reason I would have to pick you tonight over Gerwin, all right? I would definitely vote for you through to the final over Gerwin, and the reason is, judging on the semi-final performances we've seen, I had to go on what I listened to, and look, Gerwin have had a wonderful performance for the semi-finals, but when I watch Gerwin and when I watch you, and he shakes sometimes and gets a little bit anxious, shuts his eyes and that, and you don't do that, and that's why I have to pick you over Gerwin, is because I feel like you're going to come out a lot more on form with yourself in the finale. So congratulations, you're in the finals. So guys, we have our finalists. I just want to say congratulations. My God, going back to the beginning of this series, who would have known we would have had an all-girl final? Unbelievable. Literally, girls, you've proved what you're capable of. And tonight, like all of you just came out and give it every possible thing. Look, next week is a big night. One of you are going to walk out to the room next week as the brand new representative, following in the line of many awesome talents, right? It's a big deal. That person is also going to get to record a full 10-track album and 5 professional music videos to help them kickstart. All right. So it's some amazing stuff involved, but all in all, girls, enjoy it. All 4 of you are winners up there. All 4 of you are winners, right? Any one of you could represent this at any series. I wanted to know that. Obviously, friends and family, as you know, there is only going to be one at the end of next week. So please appreciate and respect all of them equally. We all got our ones that we want to win. We know how that works, but we got to make the decisions, so everyone needs to respect that, because it's not easy for us, all right? Right, girls. There's some big stuff in store now at this point, and this is why I need to give you everything that's going to be happening next week. It's going to be a massive night. We've got some amazing guests joining us, but this is what you need to know. Everything you need to know, all right? So here we go. So, obviously, we have selected a song that we feel is your best song to date up until now, this series. One song in particular that stood out that extra bit more than anything else you've done this series, right? They are going to be a song of the series songs, right? So you already know the songs. It's just freshening up. You haven't got to worry about learning new words or nothing for them. Only 2 of you will get to perform that after we make the first result next week. So just bear in mind, not all 4 of you are going to perform your song in the series, but you still need to prepare yourselves because it could be any of you, right? So, the song of the series that we picked for you all, here we go. Millie, the song that we feel will represent you best if you do make the final 2 is Flying Without Wings. All right, that is the choice that we would love to hear you do again if you get to the final 2. Trinity, the song that we've decided that will represent you best in the finale if you get to the final 2 is Oceans. All right, that is your song. Billy, the song that we feel represents you best and was definitely a moment that we was like, wow, there she is Little Mix, Love Me or Leave Me. All right? And Aaron, the song that we feel represents you best from everything we've seen is R.E.M. Everybody Hurts. All right? So that is your songs. So girls, keep them in mind. It'll all go in the group chat so you're reminded. Secondly, here comes the work. You ready for this? We've picked a song each for you to learn, to go out and learn. Now, all 4 of you will perform these songs. This will be the first song that you do as your solos in the night. All 4 of you are going to sing these. You ready for it? Trinity, we've picked for you Roots by Grace Davis. All right? So that's what you'll be singing as your solo coming into the finale. Billy, we've picked for you Demi Lovato's Father. All right, so that's picked for you. Aaron, we picked for you Shakespeare Sisters' Stay. All right, this was also covered by an artist from the X Factor called Shay Lloyd. All right, so just keep an eye on that. And then Millie, we have picked for you. You're going to be shocked with this one because this is a theatre song. All right, look at her looking. And it's a song from a musical called Dear Ever Anson, and this is called You Will Be Found. All right. So you need to look at this tonight. It's a beautiful song. Put all your soul into it. The same girls, all of you need to put your hearts and soul into this. And next week, for the finale, all 4 of you will be opening the show with a group performance. All right. So this is where you get to work together and learn how to work as a team instead of just solos. It can be challenging, but as you've seen earlier on tonight with our previous representatives, it's wonderful to see how everyone can blend, all right? You're all very different singers, but we know you can blend well. Now, the song we picked is one of them songs you're all going to go, oh my God, that's not me. That's not what I would sing. Because ideally, when you first listen to it, a lot of people are going to go, that's not going to work. But it will work, 100%, all right? So the song we picked for you is a song by a band called One Republic, and this is a song called I Lived. The song is a personal song, and we are going to be raising awareness fibromyalgia, all right, for this song. So a lot of you may not know what that condition is, but Mum and Dad and I can let you know what it is and stuff. It's something that's a lot of people are suffering from, and it's something that don't get spoken about a lot. So we want to raise some awareness with that in the finale with the 4 of you girls, all right? So, ladies and gents, your series finalists! Well done, girls! Well done, girls! Amazing work, amazing work.
There we have it, we have our grand finalists. Billy, Trinity, Erin and Millie! Tune in next Wednesday at 7:45 p.m. where we crown our winner.
Next week,
You've come into tonight with an absolute more than a bang. This was bang, bang, bang.
It's the grand finale.
I felt like I was in the finale watching like a winning song. That was the epiphany. I still can't believe this is the same person that auditioned for us.
You were just exceptional in every sense of the word.
Who will be crowned your brand new champion?
Who will become the next champion of Talent Search Cymru?